Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Mailchimp from Salesforce leads, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the app launcher. Type Mailchimp in the search bar. Select the Mailchimp integration from the results. Once on the Mailchimp setup page, locate the settings menu. Click on the Manage Packages option. In the package list, find Mailchimp for Salesforce. Click on the down arrow to the right of the Mailchimp package. Select the Uninstall option from the drop-down menu. A confirmation window will appear. Review the information and confirm your intention to uninstall. Check for any dependencies that may be affected by this action. If there are dependencies, you may need to address them first. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstall process. Once the uninstall process is complete, verify that Mailchimp is no longer listed in the installed packages. Clear your browser cache to ensure all changes take effect. Log out and back into Salesforce to confirm that Mailchimp has been removed. You have successfully uninstalled Mailchimp from your Salesforce leads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.